Welcome back to learning how to use Demiks School Management System. Here we're on the dashboard, and where we left off, we're going to the icon School on the left-hand corner. For this video, we are going to go through school settings, and I'm going to show you what you need to manually input into the system and explain where you are going to see these again later. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled in some examples. So first you would put the name of your school, your phone number, the email of your language school, the website, and as well as the currency. I went with Canadian dollar because we're operating out of Canada. Time zone, again, all your options are here. You can just scroll down, but I went with Eastern time. And then you would put the address of your school. Then you come down and there are these 4 columns which are important to fill out because the system will take this information and use it later. So in this section you will write any of the legal stipulations that your student should be aware of, and this will be included in invoice emails that you can send to your students. Nexus Rooms, and these are the physical classrooms that exist in your school. So for example, if you have 2 rooms, you can name them Room A and Room B. You will see this again when you create classes, and you can pick which room to assign a class to. Next is lead sources. In this section, you will write down any marketing channels that you use to contact students. This will be seen again when you are working in the leads section of the software, but this will be explained later. Then next is payments. And this is where you would sign up to create a direct online payment with the software using Stripe. However, this is optional. You can also keep using debit or credit or cash at your school, and there will be a place to record these payments, but this will be explained in detail in a different video. Next, we are going to add some courses. So click on the courses icon, which is right below school. To add a new course, on the top right-hand corner, click Add New Item from your toolbar. For this page, we can type in the name of the course that you are offering. So for example here, put TFAC preparation. The total price, $450, and these switches right below the course name allows you to customize the product that you are selling. So this top one, if it's a course, then you keep it on, but if it's not a course, and for example it's an enrollment fee or material fee, you just turn it off, but since for this example it is a course, we'll leave it on. Then if it's a quantity-based item, so if you're selling based on hour, week, month, lesson, etc., you just use this drop-down menu to pick, and for example, we chose, it'll be weekly. And then we're going to go back up to the top and press Save. Awesome. So here's your toolbar, and this is important when you start to add more and more courses. So your options are, you can just click, and you can add a new item, you can archive any of the ones that are selected, you can delete, you can do an advanced search, and you can refresh.